We would like to invite you now to lean back and close your eyes, dear ones. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine in the center of your heart a golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body, filling your entire body with this golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura. Filling your entire aura with this golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to fill the entire room that you're in. And now, dear ones, we invite you to connect with your I Am Presence that is above you. Imagine it as a golden light coming down into your crown chakra, flowing down into your heart. And now, dear ones, we invite you to imagine a ray of this white ray coming from above, connecting you with the great central sun. And now imagine, dear ones, that you are traveling upwards towards the great central sun, Creator, Source, the One. And as you travel up higher and higher, you're leaving behind all your past lives, parallel lives and present life. And as you travel along, you're traveling faster and faster, higher and higher, towards the great central sun, the place between lifetimes, dear ones. Moving up higher, imagining this very large sun with its warm golden rays, and there is no heat to this sun. There is only peace as you come closer to the great central sun. There's only peace and love and stillness. Now from there, as you are in this place of divine peace, love, and stillness, say in your mind, I now call forth the law of forgiveness and the consciousness of the violet flame and the consciousness of the unfed flame of divine love to go before me as I am traveling through all past, parallel, and present lifetimes. Now, see yourself moving very rapidly through the many, many, many lifetimes. And before you goes the violet flame and the unfed flame of divine love, which you can imagine as a white flame, white love ray, and the law of forgiveness. And as you are moving through all these past lives, without really looking at them, but imagining that you are beaming these rays of the violet ray and the ray of the unfed flame of divine love and the law of forgiveness continuously through yourself and to everything and everyone, as you move through one lifetime after the other with a fairly fast speed. And breathe and feel the clearing. Moving through the many, many, many lifetimes. Before you goes the law of forgiveness, the violet flame, and the unfed flame of divine love. All the way through the timelines, coming closer and closer to the present lifetime. Feel it. Feel it in your heart center, dear ones. With every lifetime, you will begin to feel lighter and brighter. And now you have arrived at your present lifetime, dear ones, and you find yourself back in the room that you're in. And now that you have cleared so many lifetimes, receive the bright white light coming into your crown chakra and filling your entire body with bright white light. You can also invite any other light ray that you wish to fill your entire being, your body, your aura. And now imagine for this light to expand outwards into your world, uplifting your entire world. Uplifting, illuminating your entire world. When you feel complete, dear ones, come on back and open your eyes.